Come test drive the 2018 Audi Q5. The unmistakable Q5 sets a new standard for dynamic crossover performance, design, and luxury. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, power passenger seat, traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, compass, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, rear window defroster, trip computer, remote keyless entry, tachometer, leather seats, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.